Everybody is averse to change. Many are comfortable living a known and shallow life. They may believe in and be dependent upon the norms and ethics of society. The many may never be able to survive without them. The few might stray into their own private worlds, challenging environs full of wonder and awe, illuminating them with the precious, deeply hidden knowledge that their hungry minds are painfully and perhaps unknowingly seeking. Sadly, even if they may not believe in those norms, most may never question them.